Hello, friends. Let's look at the few stocks. Okay, few stocks for this particular week. One who has developed the patterns, and this particular patterns on the candlestick charts we can see. First stock for this particular week and few months to come for the investment purpose is Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra's chart is looking very good at this moment with a good action at 700 levels. So 710, 720. These are the good supports for the Mahindra and Mahindra, and with a good stop loss. Even if it falls for some deep also can be accumulated, and this stock can ride like anything in future. So Mahindra and Mahindra cannot be ignored right now because a bullish price action is there in this, and one can get the target of 925. So 100 rupees from here one can see, and even after that this stock is breaking the range, and if it holds, it is giving the target of the 1300, 1400 also in future. Only it has to sustain above these levels of 1000 also. So Mahindra and Mahindra is one of the chart. If you see the price action in Mahindra and Mahindra, especially uh, all the small cap and mid caps are have fallen, or especially the auto stocks, auto ancillary stocks have fallen from August 2018 to way down to 270 levels, from 1000 levels to 270 levels. And this particular sector has seen a very bearish momentum in last 4 years. If you see the Maruti also, Maruti 10,000 to 6,000. Okay, these levels Maruti has got. Mahindra and Mahindra also got this kind of levels. Now it is their turn to go up. So we are bullish on this particular stock because of the good candlestick patterns are formed and is trading above, well above our clouds. Okay, well above clouds. So this is a good stock. Second stock that I would like to say is the Sun TV. Sun TV, if you see the 12 months chart, is a hammer good hammer at the end of the last year 2020, and Sun TV is holding those levels with the hammer. Okay, and it looks very nice formation at this moment on the weekly chart, that a first target is of 587 and the second target can be of the 642 and 770 and 800 and 1000 also. This stock also can go rally like slowly and steadily like PVR. One by one it can go up. So I feel strongly that yes, Sun TV is a very good at this moment, because we are bullish not only on the Sun TV but also on the media sector. So Sun TV's price action looks very nice in the last week, and with a stop loss of below 480 somewhere, one can hold as an investment stock, that is Sun TV. So Sun TV, remember, this stock can do well in months to come because the price action is superior. If you see the month, or if you see the quarter, how it has closed, quarter is holding that levels, at this moment. And I feel that this is a good stop loss to play on, and it looks nice formation at this moment. And monthly also 2 months it is holding that support of 470, and quite bullish price action, which gives the target of somewhere around 775 also. So 50% upside easily on Sun TV, but of course with a stop loss one can play. Again, we are repeating that this is an educational forum. On educational basis, on the candlestick theory, we are providing this particular educational basis, our opinions, and you supposed to take the advice of your consultant for investing in a stock market, or you have to do your own research for this. We are just giving the idea, and this is what the Sun TV is. And the third stock, this is Atul Auto. The Atul Auto for last so many days is finding the support. Earlier it has gone to 240, is finding the support at 185. These levels are holding from last so many days, so many weeks now. And look at the chart. The one of the good Morubozu candle in the end has formed last week, which has the open is equal to low. Open is equal to low. Okay. kind of a 196 is open of this week, and low is also 196.50. Wonderful. This particular stock is can be taken even as an investment purpose, but for the momentum purpose, immediately it looks like that 240 10% rise can be there. 250 240 target can come, and if it holds and momentum goes in his favor, yes, definitely 312 also can come. So these are the targets which we can discuss, because it is finding some good momentum at this moment. Look at the momentum in this stock. Look at the momentum in this stock. This is very good stock to play. That is Atul Auto. So Atul Auto is in a momentum, and we are bullish on Atul Auto and entire auto sector also right now, because after the 3-4 years of big fall and then the consolidation, the auto components sector and auto sector going to rise. So I'm again thankful to the candlestick theory, the best theory. If you want to understand the theory, come to our educational forum to learn that. Okay, our classes will start soon. You can have it properly and learn it, so you can have more than these three stocks to do on your forum, on our forum, and you can invest wherever you want. So study properly the candlestick chart. So these are the three stocks: Mahindra and Mahindra, Sun TV, and Atul Auto, for next weeks to come. Okay, next weeks or months to come, this can give the good returns, but with the stop loss. Consult your take the advice of the consultant, and then accordingly uh, form your opinion. So thank you and all the best.